Good afternoon. This is Tom Asprey with the Viper Report. It's Thursday, January 9th, and it's been a pretty exciting week in the markets. Let's take a look at what happened and what we think will happen going forward. From a technical standpoint, the market averages started off the week on a positive note. Of course, we had the hostilities with Iran, which really clouded the picture going into Monday. You can see this is the Viper Hot Stocks report for the January 6th. This chart of the QQQ, which has been leading the market higher, shows the AD line had made a new high last week, still well above this support line B and longer term support. So no signs of a correction based on the AD line analysis, though you may not be able to see it in this chart. It's quite overextended as it's been above the daily Stark bands oftentimes already this year. Each Monday issue of the Viper Hot Stocks report includes the results of my weekly scan. This is what Monday's report looked like. Has a list of bullish and bearish NASDAQ 100 and IBD 50 stocks. One stock that stood out initially was CRWD. You can see it closed at 51.20, and that was 11.2% below its 20-week moving average. So that meant it had a lot of room on the upside. Down below, you can also see the new weekly doji buy or sell signals, and CRWD had triggered a weekly doji buy signal. Added to this was the tremendous volume, which is evident on the daily chart on last Friday, and this was the technical reasons, and we recommended going long at 51.22 or better, essentially above where the stock closed on Friday. This hourly chart shows what happened. We got down to 51.22. I think the low was 51.03 in the first hour of trading on Monday, where our initial buy level at 51.22 was hit. As of Thursday afternoon, it is trading close to 57, up over 12% for the week. For both Viper ETF and Viper Hot Stocks report, we put out a special market update on Wednesday before the open. What I've noticed here is this chart of the futures shows that in overnight trading, as Iran started bombing U.S. installations, the futures dropped to a low of 31.81. This took out all the lows going back this way, cleaning out all the week-long positions. And to me, that was a very bullish sign. At this point, we're only up 6 points on the day. This was before the open. This was 7:21 a.m. Eastern time, but I thought that was very bullish and was looking for a higher close on Wednesday to confirm it. Of course, stocks were sharply higher on Wednesday and have continued to move even higher so far on Thursday. For example, the S&P futures are now trading around 32.74, getting close to 100 points above the early Wednesday lows. One stock I liked for Thursday's trading was Home Depot, HD. I just finished an article in Forbes.com. The link is in the email, looking at the monthly oversold Dow stocks, and HD stuck out as it looked like it completed its correction. It had been as high as 237.74 in November, dropped down to 210, so that had taken out a lot of the week-long positions. HD had closed at 221.79 on Wednesday. I was trying to get initially long at 221.88. So the low this morning was 221.85. So long positions were established. And as of a little after noon Eastern time, it's trading at 224.83. That looks to be a good trade. Initial target is up near that 237 area. Though you can see that the market averages, like the QQQ, is quite overextended, that chart of HD showed that the risk reward was very favorable. Those are the best opportunities I see in the next few weeks. I do expect to see a significant correction probably this month, and that should create even a better buying opportunity, but you'll have to be prepared. You'll have to have good technical analysis on your side. Now that the holidays are over, I plan on having more regular video and written updates, so please send me your feedback at tom@viperreport.com. If you'd like to try one of our premium services, you can go to viperreport.com and click on either the Viper ETF report or the Viper Hot Stocks report at the top of the page. It'll take you through the sign-up process in PayPal. Each service is just $34.95 per month. You get 2 reports, specific buy and sell advice with an attention to the risk control on all positions. Hope you'll decide to join us. Thank you very much.